The COVID-19 pandemic has required all levels of government to take rapid action to slow the spread of the virus and protect public health. In some cases, this has included various emergency declarations, and Calgary is no exception. On November the 25th, 2020, we declared a second state of local emergency due to the COVID pandemic, and today at 10:15, we renewed that declaration for 90 days. Our case counts are similar to where they were in late October, and we are still unsure how the variant will impact our case counts. The City of Calgary, local geographic areas are still high in many different locations around the city. And as you know, there are many restrictions in place at the provincial level, and the province is still in a state of public health emergency. We want to ensure we are ready to support and partner with Alberta Health and Alberta Health Services with the vaccination planning and rollout. Declaring a state of local emergency provides us with a wide range of powers within our municipal boundaries. These powers allow the city to remain agile and responsive to emerging needs. They ensure prompt coordination of actions, all to protect the safety, health, and welfare of Calgarians. On February 11th, we reopened select city recreation facilities. We've seen a high demand from our sports groups and individuals who are looking to book our facilities for one-on-one sports training and for minor sport group training in line with the public health orders. Based on this demand, the city will reopen additional facilities on February the 25th for one-on-one training and minor sport group training activities. These facilities are the Optimist and George Blunden Arenas, where you will see 2 ice sheets open, the Stu Hendry and Henry Vinnie Arenas with 2 ice sheets, and the Calgary Soccer Centre with 8 indoor artificial turf fields. These facilities can be booked for one-on-one training, but cannot be booked for games, league play, swim lessons, registered programs, individual workouts, or group exercise at this time. And again, that is in alignment with the provincial health orders.
I'm announcing today that our business improvement areas are receiving funding towards promotion and visitor experience. At least 400 businesses will have help in building their online marketplace through Shop Here, powered by Google. That's a fancy way of saying we're helping more businesses get online so that they can participate in the takeout and delivery market. And we have the inaugural Chinook Blast. As we have seen through many forecasts, the city was looking at a pretty big year-end deficit coming at the end of last year. Part of that from fewer people taking transit, so less transit revenue, part of it from fewer people attending rec facilities, and then part of it from being stood up in a state of local emergency and what that really requires. I'm pleased to report that we're going to be okay. With the extraordinary work that my city colleagues have done to really watch every penny and keep costs incredibly low, even during a state of local emergency where sometimes the wallet is a little more open, plus the incredibly helpful funding that has come from mostly the Government of Canada through the Government of Alberta, we're going to be okay. And so citizens don't have to be worried about their taxes going up as a result of all of this. We've managed to cover that. And indeed, as I mentioned earlier, we actually have the ability to help out other businesses like those in BIAs or like the proposal that came to our Priorities and Finance Committee last week to actually freeze business taxes for another year. So yes, there's been incredible strain. The city has responded very, very well to that. And the federal and provincial governments have been most helpful. So I think we're going to be okay.